What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another vlog. I'm actually at work, but I can't hold my excitement because, yeah, it feels unreal to actually get what you wanted. And yeah, I got my gimbal, which I think I ordered like 3 weeks ago, through 260 website. It's an online store, Zambian. Yeah, I ordered through them, so I'm happy that it got here. Though there was one unfortunate thing, which, yeah, like, anyway, we'll talk about that deeply. But one thing that I'm terribly scared of, because if you remember last time I bought a camera, a brand new one, and within like a week or two, even a month or so, it stopped working because I dropped it. So I'm kind of terrified, thinking maybe even this will stop working in a few bits, but I hope not. I don't want to jinx myself. I just want to enjoy it, and I hope it can make me make greater content for you guys. Unfortunately, I have no tripod stand, so you just have to bear with me. So I have instructions. Oh, great! They have a code for the app. Oh, it's actually a quick guide. Yeah, we have the guide there. I'm just going to open it up real quick, and then I think I'll pause the video for a minute so that I can just look at everything. How do you open this thing? Okay. So we have the gimbal itself. It actually looks bigger um, than on videos. Okay, so I have the charger here, the charging cable, and I have the balancing magnet. I was hoping there would be a stand, a short tripod stand. I think from most videos I watched online there was one, but unfortunately I don't have one. That sucks. That sucks, because I was hoping I'd have one of those. It looks really good, to be honest. I can't even believe it. Ah! Damn. Okay, this is so unreal. This is so unreal. This feels good. This feels really good. Okay, now I'll just have to read through the instructions, and then I will get back to you. It's really weird. Oh, that's why it wasn't straight. I moved the motor. Okay, okay. Wow, it can look really dumb. All because you don't know how to use something. Yeah, it's a bit straight now. Yeah, like that's me jumping up and down. Okay, so yeah, this is now straight. I feel like I love that better now. Yeah, we can get used to this. Oh boy. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's a bit heavy though. It's a bit heavy, but it's cool. I know this is not okay. I know obviously this is not wow. Okay. I feel like I'll be yeah. So that locks it in one direction, I guess. Ah boy. This would get some taking used to. It's like it's really, really weird. Okay, so let's test this thing now, and let's see how good of a stabilizer it is. I want to try. I hate that I can't make it focused on one place, like it's just looking at me. Maybe when I press the lock function, where it doesn't move or anything, no matter what I do. Yeah, so it just be locked in, but yeah, it's that's actually okay. But what I want to try, I think, and what I'm going to be mainly using this for is just trying to get nice cinematic shots, because I think that's a problem I have where the video is all over the place. So let's just start by making a nice sweep over this angle. Okay, and then let me just try a nice upward movement. Okay, let's start it off from above. Let's start coming down. Yeah. Okay. Mind you, I don't know how these shots will come out, so it's just me trying to learn as well. Yeah, but overall, to be honest, it really feels good. It's I don't know if it's just me who's tired, but it's a bit heavy in the hands. I don't know what. I'm really not good at filming and stuff, so all that I can try is all that I think I can do. I know I didn't take the so many videos to show you how the gimbal works because I think I still need time with it just to learn how it works and whatnot. But I wanted to show you some of the equipment that I've had over the years. I think this was my first ever camera, and then I think I got the mic trying to improve my sound. And then I started using these just to stabilize everything. And then I went onto the camera, which I think I talked about in the video, stopped working, I think a month down. And I think even on getting this, I was also scared. Like, it's first of all, it's like a Chinese product. So I don't know how good it will work. And maybe it will just stop right away. But if this stops, God forbid, I think I'll just try and aim to get a much better or bigger camera such that I don't have to worry about stabilization. Everything will be there. And I think this is just a pro tip to all you YouTubers starting out. If you're watching this video now, you don't really need much, to be honest. I think having one of these and the mic for me would be enough. Just starting out, only that sometimes this hinders you in that you're carrying a lot of things. But yeah, phone and the mic and a nice tripod or handle like this can get you real far. Just a good camera. That was a review enough of the gimbal. I know I haven't done much, but I think once I get to know it, I'm sure I hope it will show an improvement in my vlogs. But otherwise, I'm really happy, and we hope to make better content because that's what I was aiming for. Just have this and then try and build up to better content. But yeah, at the end of the day, it's a content, not even the equipment that you have. So yeah, let's find the content and hope we can use this on it and it doesn't fail on us. Because the next thing I'm telling you, I'm not buying any of these. I'm just going to straight up try and get a camera.